Hello everyone, I'm Christian, my YouTube channel. So basically the reason of this video today is because of the offering that we had for last week that is going to be to turn $10 into $50. Alright, so that's basically a project in 30 minutes. Obviously we might not be able to reach those $50 every single time we're trading. So what I'm going to show you guys real quick right now is how is it that I'm going to double my balance in 30 minutes. Okay, so I got $8,050 in my demo account, and I'm going to show you how to get those $8,000 to $100 in 30 minutes. Why is it that I'm going to use the 50? Is so that you guys can see a realistic target as to what you guys can achieve in a very short amount of time. Okay, so the 2-minute strategy, I put it up. I'm on OTC, by the way, so I put the strategy for the next 2 minutes. So in 15 seconds, the new candle is gonna come up, and this blue line is gonna cross the yellow line, right? So I'm investing $10, which is 20% on my regular balance. Okay, so as soon as the other candle starts forming, I'm going to wait for it to go a little bit on the green color, and then I'm going to take a put for the next 2 minutes. Why is it that I'm going to wait for it to be the green one? Simply because I want to make sure that we are actually going to be in the money, or we're going to increase our possibilities of that trade to be in the money. If I see that the candle is just dropping real quick, then I'm going to try to catch at least at the same point where the previous candle closed. So let's just wait for the next candle to be open. It shouldn't take that long. That's a good thing about this strategy. You don't have that much time waiting or anything like that. Let's see how is it that works in the RTC. I've been following it for the last 30 minutes, and it has been working good. So let's wait for a green color to start forming in here, and then I'm going to take a put for $10 for the next 2 minutes. Expiry at 16. Let's see. This one doesn't seem like it's going to have a huge jump. So the next time I'm going to see a green color, I'm going to take a put. It's going to be in red anyway, so I just want to make sure we actually get that in the money. You know, deep in the money, the ones that everybody loves. We still have 50 seconds to take the trade. It might be going away. The next one is going to be other 2 minutes as well. So if this one ends up right like this one, like in real red color, like big drop, then the next one is going to be another put for another 2 minutes. So let's just wait for it. So now that it's coming up a little bit, once it comes up a little bit more, I'm going to put a put for the next 2 minutes, which is going to be expiring 13:18. Okay. Let's just give it 2 minutes, and it's gonna. This one's gonna close, and I'm gonna take the put as soon as it closes, because there you go. Okay, I took the put for 2 minutes when the green color came up a little bit. So we're gonna see the up in transactions in here. So if we get that in the money, that put in the money is gonna be $7 in profit. So that will take us to $57. So we started up with 50. Let's see if we can get to 100. It should take no more than 5 or 7 trades. But what I want you to focus on in this video is how is it that I manage so that I can always be profitable during my session, or at least not losing money. So what I did is, okay, I took a strong signal on this one. It's the first one. So once I get it in the money, then I'm going to have $7.70 to invest. And even if I lose that trade, then I didn't lose any money in that single day. I hope that makes sense. I'm going to be answering all of your questions in regards to this explanation. Let me explain it one more time. I invested the $10, and the profit of this signal gets in the money. It's $7.70. So on the next trade, I'm not gonna invest another $10. I'm just gonna invest $7 that I just made. So that way, I won't lose any money. So if I got the other one is out of the money, I'll stop trading. Why? Because then I won't lose any money. I will just be in the $50 that I started off with. Does that make sense? Hopefully, yeah. If not, like I said, I'm going to answer a bunch of questions later on. This one's with big in the money. So if you guys notice, due to the little pennies that I used to have, I have $58. So I'm going to invest $8 on the next trade. Let's look for another opportunity. And one of the things that you guys have to keep in mind, though, first of all, is that this strategy is actually working as well in another market. I mean, out of market, RTC. I mean, it's on the weekends. So if you guys have a Monday to Friday job and you have 8 hours a week or whatever, then on weekends you can actually use the strategy. All right, now let me see. I got my expiration for 13/22. Right now it's 18, so I'm pretty sure that in about 2 candles, no, in 3 candles, this one's gonna cross and it's gonna be a call. So let's give it a time. Euro, GBP, and then I have. Oh, this one's gonna do exactly the same thing. Euro, GBP, and USD CHF is gonna do the same thing. Oh, this one's the one that we just took. GBP USD is looking good. But if you guys notice, all the crosses are a little bit unstable, and in addition, the profit is pretty low, so I'm just going to take it away. All right, let's see what else we have here. It's pretty much what we have available right now, so we're going to stick to that. All right. Bitcoin, never used it to make 40% profit. Honestly, it's just, I don't see it's worth it, but you guys can do it as well. So let's go ahead and wait for, I'm going to put the expiration for 13/24 because I'm pretty sure we're still missing 2 candles, 2 green candles besides this one, so we can go ahead and take a call. Same thing in here. So 24, $8, 24, $8. There we go. Let's just wait, people. Also, I want to let you guys know, if you guys are not in the group, I recommend you highly to check on the description of this video. I'm going to put the link to join the free signals group, and also with the IQ option in order to open an account. In order for you to be a permanent member of the free signals group, you need to open an account with either IQ options, top options, or Trade Thunder, which are the links that I'm sharing in the group. Also, I'm gonna, if you go into the group, in the description of the group, you're gonna find a link to the website, to the official website that we have for the group, as well with the educational articles with different strategies. If you guys don't like turbo, you guys can go with the regular exponential and resistance strategies. And in addition, subscribe to this video, like it, comment it, do whatever you want. Subscribe so that you guys can get notifications when I'm uploading the videos with the strategies, webinars, and all the educational information that you might use in the future. So, all right, so this candle is forming. So we have 30 seconds for this one to close. All right, I'm pretty sure we're going to take this one, the USDCHF first. Now, that's the good thing about this strategy is all of the good things is the accuracy of the strategy is always giving over 80% and the money accuracy, which is insanely better than some other strategies that I've been looking at on the throughout the time. Now, let's go ahead and do this. This one, you know, the market is pretty stable right now, so I'm going to put it for 326, and since this one's going to be a put, if it drops too much, I'm going to take a call because the red candle cannot be bigger than the green candle. So if we have a huge drop, I'm going to take a call. If not, I'm just going to wait for that candle to close, and I changed my expiration for 1326 due to the fact that the blue line is a little bit away from the yellow line still. So we have 1 minute and 15 seconds to see how that is going to be formed. On this one, most likely we will be able to take 2 calls, one for 26 and one for 28. So let's just go ahead and wait. Okay, it went up. All right, second minute is starting off right now. One of the pretty exciting things about this strategy is that allows you to make money in a shorter amount of time, so that way you guys don't, if you guys want to be full-time traders, you guys won't have to spend the whole day on your computer. You'll be able just to sit around, 1 hour trading, good to go, increase your income or your balance in just a matter of 1 hour and 45 minutes, and then keep moving with your life and enjoying time with your kids, time with the wife, and so on and so forth. All right, so this one is going to end up with a green candle. So once this one, yeah. All right, now it's starting. This one hopefully drops just a little bit. So we have to take the signal where minimum is where the other one closed, or a little bit above, like right there. It's going up a little bit. We have to wait for it to come down a little bit. Why? I'm pretty sure this one's going to be in the money because of the 2 green candles that it has before that. That tells me it's going to be an uptrend for about 5 candles. So I just want to make sure I show you guys how is it that, yeah, the risk will be a little bit more due to the fact that you're investing more. Oh shoot, it's just going up, it's not coming back. We absolutely missed the opportunity. We got 30 seconds to put that trade. If not, I'm just gonna move it for 28. Yeah, we're just gonna be able to take 1 trade for sure on this pair. Too bad, you know. It was a massive, great opportunity. We would have made $6 in there just like that in revenue. All right, let's just wait. Now I won't wait the next time. Just so you guys know. Next time I'm not gonna wait. I'm just gonna go with a call. Sometimes when you're explaining, you know, the details to the audience, sometimes you miss the opportunity. When you guys are trading on your own, you won't have this issue, okay? There you go. All right, so it took a call for $8 for 28. Why is it that I did not wait for the little drop a little bit so that I can take a call? Because I missed the previous opportunity. I didn't want to miss this one. You're not supposed to chase those trades like that, right? The reason why I'm doing it first is because I'm showing you how is it that it's done. I know my strategy. I have faith in it. So you guys notice right now we have a trade of $8 and we haven't lost any money. We have our balance right here. You guys see it? is which started off with the $8.50. I'm sorry, $8,050. So we're still with the $8,050. We haven't lost anything. And what we're doing right now is that we're reinvesting our earnings. So instead of trading another 20% trade of $10, what I did is, okay, I got one trade in the money, so I use all of my profits and reinvest them. And I'm going to do this 5 more trades, or until I get one out of the money. So once I get one out of the money, after this one, I'm going to have profit. Let me show you right now. So basically what I do is that whenever I double up my balance on the 20%, then I change the amount I'm going to be investing. So let's see right here. We had $50, right? 20% is $10. So right now I'm going to have $64. Let me see. Yeah, $64. So what I'm going to do right now is that I already have a, there you go, $64. So I already have a revenue of $14 on my original balance. So what I'm going to do right now, okay, I already have profit for this day. So I'm going to invest the earnings above that 20%. Does that make sense? So $4 is going to be my next trade. That way I never lose money. Right now I already have a profitable session. I'm looking at the Euro USD right now. Let me see if I can catch this one on a put. I know it looks a little unstable, so no, I'll just stay away. And we'll, like I said, you guys see it? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 green candles. It's what I told you. That's what I saw according to the indicators. You know, I realized that it was going to be around 5 winning candles. Why is it that I did not trade on this one? Usually the market is not that stable during the weekends, so it's pretty unstable to just go ahead and put a trade, I mean double or triple trades on the same pair. So let's just focus on this one. This one's going to give us an in the money in about, I would say, 6 minutes. So I'm going to put the expiry for 13:36. We're going to have to wait for it. Let me see. Oh, Turbo is not giving me the option right now yet. 4:36, 35 is giving me, so I'm gonna have to go back in there. And just so you guys can realize, if you guys have tried the demo account with the IQ options, you guys already know that IQ options gives you $1,000. And look at my balance. I started off just trying this strategy on Thursday and with $1,000, and look at the balance right now. It's $8,000. So basically I have 8 times my regular balance in 1 week. This is something doable. You just need to have a lot of discipline on your own in order to trade like this, because if you get too emotional and you start double trading, or you're chasing trades, or simply you start investing after you already lost the trade, and then you get, oh, okay, I'll wait for a second and out of the money. No, that's basically how you're gonna blow your account. So what you need to do is just be patient. You have got to wait for the actual indicators. Don't assume that the indicator is going to give you the signal to be in the money or out of the money. Like in this case, if you're looking at right here on the blue line, don't assume, okay, in 10 minutes the blue line is gonna go up and go across the yellow line. That's why I'm gonna have it in the money in 10 minutes. That's not how the market works. It's very unpredictable. So right now I'm showing you how you have to manage so that you never lose money. Okay, Let's just wait for a couple minutes while the next two candles are formed, okay? So here's a perfect example of what I was telling you guys about. You know, if we would have taken a call right in this area on the 837-860 strike rate, just because you were, you know, thinking or assuming that the signal was gonna go up due to the fact that the blue line is started to get up, then you would have gotten a big out of the money. So let's just be patient. There you go. This one's gonna be for 1338. If you see, I'm changing my expiry times all of the time. Oh, this one's looking pretty good too. Okay, that's good. That's good. We have couple options. Oh, change to $4. Just so you guys, if you guys can see this, if I get the next one, I get it in the money on the Euro GBP, I'm gonna have $10 to reinvest. So what I'm gonna do is that once I get that in the money and I got the extra $10 to reinvest, then I'm gonna invest those $10. Why? Because my 20% increase in my balance is already there. I started up with $50 and now I got $60. So I already increased my account in 20%. If my account would have been $500, then I would have gotten $600 in my balance. So that's good. You already have a profit. So whenever you get out of the money and you have already a 20% increase in your account, which is not that common in binary options, just stop. Next day, you start all over, all freshed up, and you'll be able to succeed next day. I hope that makes sense. But I'm going to stop today until I get one out of the money or until I get $8,100, so I can show you that it is possible to double up your earnings or your profit in a very short amount of time with this strategy. Yeah, it's not going to be for 38. Let me see. All right, the new one started. If this one goes on red, I'm going to take a call in there. There you go. Drop a little bit more and I'll go ahead and take a call for 38. There you go. Beautiful. Oh, okay. I took it a little bit above. All right, it's dropping. This one's going to be a green one for sure. It's going right to the cross of the blue line with the yellow line with the moving average of 6 with the 1 to 14, the yellow one. If you guys are watching this video and just wondering what strategy is this one, go to my YouTube channel and you guys are gonna find a 2-minute strategy, 90% 90% accuracy on it, and you guys are gonna notice that you're gonna be able to use it. Like, it's pretty simple. It's a newest strategy, and it's pretty easy to use even if you don't have any type of experience in binary options. Yeah, this one's fighting to be out of the money. If this one's out of the money, I'm gonna stop right there so you guys can see at least that we have a 20% increase in our balance. And how long have we been here? I don't know, about 20 minutes at the most. Yeah, I don't think this one's gonna go up. No, it's actually dropping more. Okay, that was a crazy moment. This was actually one of my mistakes for taking a trade before the time was supposed to. Now we're gonna stop right there, and you guys can see. Okay, so I lost the $4. Now it's time for a call. But we're gonna stop right there.